So we all feel like having something to drink which is nice and sweet. And very often when we are feeling the lack of energy, instead of reaching out to a fruit, we reach out to a sugary drink like a really sugary nimbu pani, or even worse, a cola or a soda. So here's a drink which is really refreshing. It's full of vitamin C, and it's really nice to have on a hot summer day or even otherwise. You can serve it at your home for your guests or even to your children when they have come back from school. It's really refreshing, and I personally love having it. So let's start. So we'll start with water. We're using basil. Now this is up to you how much you want to add. A leaf or two is enough for a glass. We're adding jaggery powder. You could also add date paste. And of course, lemon juice, because this is a lemon basil drink. If you wish, you can add ice at this point or after you pour it out. So our drink is ready. You can put ice at this stage if you wish. And what tastes really nice is to break a few pieces of the basil like this and put it into your glass. Or if you want to save it for later, you can put the leaves into your drink, put the jar in the fridge for the flavors of the basil leaves to penetrate through the water, and then drink it after half an hour or an hour. So here's your drink, and it's ready. Look at the lovely color.